Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Online, can you hear me, ma? Yes. Okay, let me come back. Sorry for the delay. Now, guys, everyone, listen to me, ma. Everyone. The code which I did, in that code, I took something called JSON code. What does it mean by JSON? JavaScript object notation. That means JavaScript object notation means they will write the objects. They will define the values in an object and they will put these objects in the array. Actually, JSON is what we will use to send the data from one point to another point. For example, backend has to send data to frontend. Na? How the backend will send the data to frontend like this. See, this is not object. People will think this is object. No. If you see, everything is a string there. Can you see that? Even the key value became string. They will make key value is also string to an object that will become JSON. Why they will make like that, sir? So that strings are immutable. They cannot be changed. So that while transferring the data, this data will be secured. Once JS receives this JSON data, na, once JS receives this JSON data, na, see, imagine I copied this. I exactly copy. I'm not changing anything. Imagine I just copy. But when I go here and const x equals to, it becomes actual data, not a string value. Are you getting my point, ma? The actual, it will become a normal object. So that is why we use this JSON data. To the people who didn't understand, I just took it here one JSON data from the internet. JSON data is what we will use usually for APIs. Backend people will create all the data and they will put it one JSON and they will send it that JSON to you. Okay. And in that JSON, you will take the JSON and you will check it. For example, this is the JSON they gave it to me. In that, I will check what are there. They gave me one name, they gave me some ingredients, and they gave me something like steps, and they gave me something like timers. They gave me something like image URL. Are you getting my point? They gave me something like original URL. So I should think about what can I create using this all mixtures. Then I will start creating using DOM. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? Is it clear, ma? Can we try the whole thing one more time? Online, someone asked Dom. Okay, please understand it. One more time, I'm doing it. This time, please listen to it. Go to internet. Take it what data you like. Tell me what kind of data you want. You want to create a music library or comic library, movie library? Tell me. I will try that JSON data. Okay, we'll see comics, JSON data. Is there any comics JSON data? Person is comics JSON. Go here. Okay, someone created this comics JSON data, sir. Go here. Inside the results, they gave so much data. I will copy this data, copy this results data, results array. Go here. First, I will check ma. Is it looking good or not? Let's check it here. Not this. Go here. VS Code. Go here in script.js. Const comics equals to array. See, I got it so much comic data. Now copy. Oh, it is only one object only. You created only one object data. It's not like multiple comics. Only for one comics only they got it multiple data. I don't want comics JSON data. Is internet is having it more? No. Comics JSON data free. Mm-hmm. No, there is no free one. Let's try with any other movies. There are so many movies, Ray. Movies wala is free. Like so many are giving it for free. In future, what we will do, we will use APIs. Okay. Movies free, JSON data, Bollywood, top rated Indian movies. Okay, let me take it this Indian movies ka data. I don't know how many movies are there. Why it is going on only? Hey, control A, select, go here. Now, sir, I am just creating movies equals to enter. Oh, 2967, 27 something. Go here. Now close this. Everyone, console.log movies dot movies dot length. What will happen, sir, if I do this? How many movies are there? It will come na, right or not? Are you getting my point, ma? I just take it one movies. Till now, does anyone have any doubts? Oh, देखो इधर कितना movies है. Oh, I did not run only. Go here, index.html. Go to HTML. Good. Right click, inspect, console. 133 movies are there. Now I want to print 133 movies. But you don't need it. How many movies are there? Whether it is 133 or 1 lakh, code will run in the same way. All you need is take it one movie and check it in that object what they are giving it, right or not? So go here, sir. First we will check it. I will go here. I will check it here. One object. They are giving title. Okay. They are giving year. They are giving genres, but genre is a array. Okay, good. They are giving ratings. Okay. They are giving poster. Maybe poster is the URL. But sir, if I go to this poster, will it come enter? Oh, this is very bad, I think, because poster is local wala, not. I think I let me put it here. Poster. If I put it in internet, will it come? I don't think so. No, this poster one is not coming. Images are separate. I think JSONs they gave separately, images they gave separately. I need to download it. Cha. Download the zip. Who created a tray like this? Right click, extract all, extract. Now all the images are here inside them. GitHub is the best source to get it any kind of coding ones. Inside them, IMG, whole table, whole IMG I will copy and I will paste it in my code. Let me change not recipes, Bollywood. Okay, I just copy pasted. Now they are having content rating, they are having duration, they are having release date, they are having average rating, they are having original title, storyline, they are giving actors. Shit. They gave me directly poster URL, Ray. Okay, lesson number one. You should read first everything. Then you should do. I did wrong. Waste of time. Cha. Anyway, they gave this. They gave. So I will take three things. One is year, one is title, one is poster URL. Year, title, poster URL. Is it clear, ma? Okay, so let me write it. I need to take. I need to take a div. Okay, a div is for whole movie box and a title. Title for a title. What you will take H2 and year for year I will take paragraph and poster URL. What you will take IMG. I am just thinking in my mind. I need to take this all. Does anyone have any doubts, ma? Online, whoever are chatting, just focus on the class. Now, now, is it clear, ma? Till now, does anyone have any questions? Is it clear till now? Now, sir, go here, go to index.html, write it here. I'm writing one H1 movies. Then create one div hash movies list. DOM means document object model. Okay. There is one object named document. Document knows your whole code. Right or not? Now in HTML code, did I write anything more, ma? No, this is the HTML code. Now in my HTML code, there is one div. And what is the div ID? Movies list. And I will copy this div. This div, I will take it in JavaScript. How do you take it a div in JavaScript from HTML? Go here, const main div. This is the main div. So, sir, in HTML, only main div is there. Nothing is there. If you create something in JavaScript and if you don't put it in main div, it will not come because HTML knows only main div. You create anything, you should put it inside the main div. Then only it will come. Okay. Now, main div, this main div nothing but document dot get element by ID. This is the main div. I took HTML element and I called it as main div. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Does anyone have any questions? Good. Thank you, sir. Now focus here, sir. Let's create one function, ma. Function display data. Display data. I created one function which is display data and I stopped it here, display data. Is there any doubt, ma? Is it clear till now? Is it clear till now? Now, I created a display data and here also display data, sir. Now, let's start it now. Inside this display data, movies list. Now, I need to create a div. How do you create a div? Const movie div. Put it any name equals to document dot create element div. You created div na? Now one div is created na? Can I give any class name for the div, sir? How do you give class name for a div? Class list. Movie div dot class list dot add. I am adding one class list name movie. I added one class list also, sir. Then next div हो गया, div का class name हो गया. Then next you are giving title. For title, which element you are creating? Title, which element is creating? H2. So give it here const title equals to document dot create element H2. I created one element H2, sir. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? No. Then again, create something called const year equals to document dot create element paragraph for year. Const image equals to document dot create element img. So you created one div, you created one title, you created one div and one h2, one paragraph, and image. Put all the things in one. Take this movie div. Inside this div, I will put one first image and then title, then year. Whatever the order you put, it will come in the same order. But everything is inside movie div, na? Oh, sorry. I did not put append, na? Not append. Okay, chhod do. Now, if I put this append one, now everything is inside movie div. But is it coming into the HTML, sir? Because HTML knows only main div. So keep this movie div inside main div. If you understand the 6 lines, almost you will understand it any DOM. Oh, main div के अंदर main div डाल लिया. हाँ. Online, let me know, sir, if anyone did not get it the 6 lines. Please focus here. 2934, someone having a doubt? Again, I am telling it 2934. Earlier also they asked the same question. 2934, I am giving a class name. If you write it here, class list, what will happen? In this step, you are creating one div. In this step, you are creating one div. In this step, further div, you will have one class name, sir. Class equals to something. It will have movie. This is what it will create, sir. This is what it will create. Now, next one. What is append? Append is used to append the child only. But the point is, append child is used for one element. Append is used for multiple elements. When you have multiple elements to add. Why did you put it D capital? Yes, I just put it for styling only. Movies div. I just put it D capital. That is my name. Na, I can put anything. कुछ नहीं होता. What is the difference between append and append child? Append child is used for one element if you are adding. Append is used multiple elements when you are adding. Both will do same work. Any other more questions? Is it clear, everyone? Now, sir, how many times this is running? Only one time. But how many times you wanted to run? How many movies are there that many times? So this whole thing, I will run it. I will run it inside a for each loop. Inside a for each loop, I will take a function, and inside a function, I will use here each movie is M. Each movie object is M. Now I will run it. So it will run multiple times. Why did you keep D capital? Again, I'm telling D I capital because I wanted it to capital. There is no reason. Okay. You put it small. कुछ नहीं होता. Any doubts? Camel case, that is called. Yes, true. Thank you, ma. Any doubts, ma? Now, sir, let's finish it up, sir. टाइटल का अंदर वैल्यू चाहिए. Title dot text content equals to inside M. Inside M, what are there? Title is there. Perfect. Again, year dot text content, because paragraph na text content only. Again, here also M dot year. Then image dot src. Images will not have text content, will have src, equals to M dot poster URL. Okay. And image dot alt equals to M dot name only. That's it. हो गया project. You go here, it will show. Okay, not recipes. Go here, open Bollywood. It will show all the movies. All you need is to put this particular one in a nice way. How do you put them? Go here, use the CSS. All are inside movie list, movies list, and each one is movie class name. I gave each one ka movie class name. Movies list. Perfect. Display grid. Grid template columns. The grid template columns repeat 3 comma 1 FR gap 20 pixel and dot movie inside IMG, whatever the IMG is there, height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel, then movie padding 20 pixel, uh, border radius 20 pixel, box shadow 1 pixel, 2 pixel, black. And for every element, sir, for every element, first you have to do is padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box. Now go to my application. Nothing got changed because I did not added my CSS. Sync CSS. Still not looking good. Take it four elements, and also inside the each and element, let's use something called display flux. Display flux, flux direction colon, justify content, center, align items, center. So many movies images are not coming, Ray. Okay, so here so many images are not coming. So instead, I will use, instead of poster URL, you can use it your local images also, like poster m dot poster. Now it is not coming more. I will use string literal dot slash img inside img, because inside the img folder only I gave na. Did you remember string template literal ma? I am using now poster URL. Why did you use this? Because inside the poster they rotate the file name .jpg. That's it. But that all images are inside img folder. So now it will come if I'm not wrong. Any doubt, sir? But you did not created them. You just created one element and it will automatically come. Any doubts here? Is it clear, ma? Now even in online, try this thing, sir. If you try it clearly, it won't take much time to understand this. Sir, what if now, okay, later we will discuss events tomorrow, no worries. But till now, is everyone clear? I will try to give a chota task. I want you to try it. Okay. This time I will give you, okay. Now let's go here. I will show you one JSON. If you go to one website, I will show you one website. Sample JSON, sampleapis.com. If you go to sampleapis.com, go to the website sampleapis.com. Even in future, when we discuss APIs, I will tell you. Next week, we will do APIs only. If you do sampleapis.com, sampleapis.com, click here, click here, click here, then API list will be there. Again, click here, API list will be there. Click on API list. Okay, add close karo. Now, see, you can see so many API lists. You can literally see avatars, baseballs, beers, cartoons, coding resources, copies. Now, if you go to coffee, hot. Okay, so if I go here, hot coffee I want. So let's go here. Let's click on coffee. Go down. Here in the program, this is all program we will do later. But here, select this part. Select this link. Select this link. Only go to that link, ma. Select this link, hot. If you go to the link, you will have the JSON. API, nothing but they will put the JSON data in one link. Now we are directly copy pasting the JSON. Huh? In future, what will happen? We will get one link. If you put the link, automatically we will get the JSON. That is called API. In future, we will do. Okay. And here in this link, if you go here, you are getting all the copies. Not only this, in this, so many are there. This is about copies. Now you go here down, countries are there, color names are there, something monsters, movies. In movies, you have so many are there. Animation movies, classic movies, and all. I will show you something animation movies ka object. Now try to create for this, everyone. Now only. This is the simple movie. This is the object, sir. Create it program for this now only. Object is containing only four values: title, poster URL, IMDb ID. Online, whoever are doing the charting, I don't know what they are typing it only. They are just going in the chartings only. Understand, Ray, if you have any doubts regarding this JavaScript, that is the use of the chart. Very bad it is. Anyway, I didn't understand it. Maybe you're talking nice only, but go for this class. IMDb ID, they are giving some IMDb ID, sir. Using this ID, you can even go for, you can even go for IMDb website. If you go to IMDb website and give this ID, automatically it will show you the page. Okay. I want you to don't no need to do bigger things. Poster, image name. Only two things I want. Create image and name. That's it. Just create the JavaScript ma. It may not work for you. Okay. Because if you have JSON, online people I gave the JSON. Offline people you can see that. Okay. You can just see the object. For that object, write the code. If you write the code later, you can able to do remaining all. Just copy pasting the data is not a big deal. Okay. Try it, sir. Now. If anyone doubts, I will let you know. రావట్లేదా? ఎందుకు రాదు? Everyone, listen. I can see this nicely because I have one extension called JSON Viewer. Here I have one extension called JSON Viewer. Here, let me go here. Where is this? JSON Viewer. See, because the JSON Viewer is there, I can see this JSON nicely. Normally, JSONs will not look nicely if you open your browser. There will be one option called pretty. If you click on that, it will make it pretty. Sir, can I tick the pretty print? Yes, tick the pretty print. It will look, it will show it to you, but it won't show you colorful like this because I have extension. If you want the extension, go to Google Web Store. If anyone wants it in your browser, go to Google Web Store. Go to Google Web Store. Write it here, JSON Viewer. JSON Viewer. If you go to Google website, you will get it something called JSON UR. Then go to whatever the JSON you are feeling it good, try it. I just clicked the first one only and it worked for me. You all know web store na? You all know extensions na? You open Google Chrome, you will have so many extensions actually. You don't know? Yeah, good. Try it ma, it works. It will work ma. Originally it will come like this to you. This is how it will come to you all of. Click on this pretty print. It will work. Okay? For me, it will come like this. I can change the settings and all. Just create the site ma. Today's task is also the same thing. Create a site of something a good library. Try to print it multiple elements. Yesterday, some people tried it really well. How to get pretty printer. See, this is how it will look like. See, on top it is there pretty print dots. You click on it, it will come. Guys, if it see, listen, if it is looking, if it is not looking pretty print, also don't worry. Just control A, select all. Just select all and paste it in VS Code. VS Code anyway will show you nicely only, na. Only browser it is showing it bad. If you copy and paste it into Google, your VS Code, it will show you automatically nice. Don't worry about pretty print and all. Does anyone have any questions, sir? Does anyone have any questions? No. Online Syed Sabiha did this function movies for each. Create element img, create element h2, image.src, alt, name.text content, title, div.append, image and name. Everything is right only, Sabiha. But did you created that main div? Did you put that main div? And did you put that array? Did you put that array movies? Yes, then it will come. Then it will 100% come. I did both the things, but not coming. It should come. No, did you connected the HTML with script? Open the VS Code so we can refer to. Open the VS Code, sir. You can refer. Sabiha, your code of JavaScript is okay. There is nothing wrong in it. This is also right. Script, I connect, you connected. What about main div? Where did you write main div? Main div in script. Where did you write main div? Listen, ma, guys, guys. If anyone, that is the problem, Sayed Sabiha. You write a document that create element my div. You should write document that get element by ID my div. You created my div. That is wrong. If you do that, it will be perfect. That one line I told you now. And listen, ma, if anyone is not getting something, you know what is the easiest way to find? For example, sir, I am not getting something here, H2 problem. Put it there, something console.log hello, and check it in console. Is hello is printing or not? Wherever you want problem is, wherever you think problem is, put it console and try to print. If you think main div is wrong, try to print main div in console and check it. Is it coming or not? If it is coming, main div ka problem nahi hai. Then try it another thing. Like that, we will check it where the problem is. This is called debugging. Console is actually used for debugging only. Okay. Yeah. What is the use of function display data? Yesterday you don't used it. Yesterday I directly did. Today I used function. There is no difference. But what is the use of this function data, sir? The point is, if I used this display data, imagine I have another script file. Imagine so many. Listen, we all are working in one project, and I created one display function, and you wanted that. Like Netflix, YouTube do this. It's like in trending videos, they want to use display data. And again, if they go to normal homepage, also they want to display data. Same function, they want to run it multiple times. Again and again, I can't right now. So I will store it in one function, and that function I will call multiple times. Okay. So that's why always store the things in functions. The reusability is the advantage of functions. Oh, you should call the function also, Sabiha. Then it will. Is it clear, ma? The main use of function is for reusability. Yesterday I didn't do because that is the first thing for you. Now I did because this is the reality. Perfect. Any doubts here? No. Try it one more thing, sir. You will be perfect in DOM. Try it bigger thing. Don't do chota ones. Put it more elements and try it bigger complex. And tomorrow we will do events. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you all. Yeah. And I will push the code into GitHub. Please check it the GitHub. Yeah. If any doubt.